Pebbles Live.
We have learned about 2-letter words and 3-letter words. Now we are going to learn about the beginning sound of the word. I am going to show you the picture and we will identify it and spell it. Okay. So here is the first picture. What is this? Wait. Yes, it is bat. Now what is the beginning sound of it? Here it is B-A-T, bat. So here it is B, B-A-T, bat. B-A-T, bat. Okay. Now next one. What is this? So beginning sound is K. Yes, it is. Here it is C. K-A-T. C-A-T. Cat. Okay. Now next one. What is this? Yes, it is bag. Yes. So it is here. What is the beginning sound of it? B. B. Bag. B-A-G. 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 Bag. Okay. Now next one. What is this? Yes, it is man. So, beginning sound of it? Yes, ma. M-A-N, man. Okay. So, it is M-A-N, man. Okay. Now, next one. What is this? Fan. So, beginning sound of it? F. Okay. So, here F. F-A-N. Fan. F-A-N. Fan. Okay. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is mat. So, first sound is mat. Ma. So, it is M. M-A-T. Mat. M-A-T. Mat. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes. Map. Okay. So beginning sound of it? M. M. So here M-A-P. Map. M-A-P. Map. Okay. Now what is it? Yes, it is jam. So beginning sound of it? J. Okay. So here it is. J. It means J. Yes. J says J. Okay. So J-A-M. Jam. J-A-M. Jam. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is fat. F-A-T. So, beginning sound of it? F. So, here it is. F. So, F. F-A-T. Fat. F-A-T. Fat. Now, next one. What is it? Yes, it is rat. What is the sound of it? R-A-T. So, beginning sound of it? R. So, R. Here it is. R means R. R says R. Okay. So, R-A-T. Rat. Next one. What is it? Yes, it is dam. Okay. So, what is the beginning sound of it? D. D-A-M. Here it is D. It means D. D says D. D-A-M. Dam. D-A-M. Dam. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is hat. So beginning sound of it? H. Yes. So, it is hat. So, H. H says her. H-A-T. Hat. Hat. Okay, now next one. What is it? Yes, it is pan. Okay, so what is the beginning sound of it? P. Pan. Okay, so here it is. P. Yes. P says P. Pan. Okay, now next one. What is it? It is lad. Okay, what is the beginning sound of it? L. Yes, so here it is. L. So L. L says L. Okay, so lad. Okay, now next one. What is it? Yes, it is gas. So what is the beginning sound of it? G. Yes, so it is. So beginning sound of it is G. So it is G. Gas. Gas. G-A-S. Gas. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is van. So what is the beginning sound of it? V. Okay. So here it is. Beginning sound of it is V. So V. Van. Van. V. V-A-N. Van. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is tap. So what is the beginning sound of it? Tap. Tap. So T. It is T. T says T. T-A-P. Tap. T-A-P. Tap. 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 Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is tag. Okay. So what is the beginning sound of it? Yes, again it is T. So here it is. Tag. Tag. T-A-G. Tag. Now next. What is it? Yes, it is sad. So what is the beginning sound of it? S. Yes, so here it is. Beginning sound of it? S. So the letter is S. Sad. Sad. S-A-D. Sad. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Sat. Yes. So beginning sound of it? S. So S. Here it is. S. Sat. Sat. S-A-T. Sat. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is wax. Okay. So what is the beginning sound of it? W. So here it is. W. Yes. W. W says W. So here it is. Wax. Wax. W-A-X. Wax. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is rag. So what is the beginning sound of it? R. Rag. Yes. R. So the letter is R. R says R. So R-A-G. Rag. R-A-G. Rag. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is car. Okay. So beginning sound of it? K. So it is. Now K. What is the letter? Yes, it is C. K-A-R. Car. C-A-R. Car. Okay. Now next one. Now what is it? Yes, it is pig. So, beginning sound of it, P. So, it is which letter? P. P. Yes, it is P. P-I-G. Pig. P-E-G. Pig. Okay, now next one. What is it? Bib. Yes, so beginning sound of it, B. Yes, so now which letter? B. So B says B. B-E-B. Bib. B-I-B. Bib. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is pin. So what is the first sound of it? P. Yes, it is P. Which letter? Here, P. Yes, P says P. P-E-N. Pin. P-I-N. Pin. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is nib. So what is the first sound of it? So here it is. Which letter? N. Yes. N says So N-I-B. Nib. And N-E-B. Nib. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is fin. So what is the beginning sound of it? F. Yes. So here it is. Which letter? Here it is F. F says F. F in a fin. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is bin. B in a bin. So what is the beginning sound? B. Yes. The sound is B. So the letter is B. B-I-N. Bin. B in a bin. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is fig. Yes. So what is the beginning sound of it? F. Yes. So the letter is F. Okay. F-E-G. Fig. F-I-G. Fig. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is lid. So what is the beginning sound of it? L. Here it is. Now what is the first letter? L. Yes, it is L. L says L. So what is it? L-E-D. Lid. So L-I-D. Lid. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is kit. So what is the first sound of it? K. Yes, it is hard K. So here it is K. 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 K-I-T. Kit. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is lip. So what is the beginning sound of it? L. L. So here it is L. So the letter is L. L-E-P. Lip. L-I-P. Lip. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is kid. So what is the beginning sound of it? K. Hard K. So what is the beginning sound of it? It is K. So K. Yes. Hard K. So here it is K. K-E-D. Kid. K-I-D. Kid. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is 6. So what is the first sound of it? S. Yes. S. So which letter? S. Yes. S says S. S-I-X. 6. S-I-X. 6. Okay. Now next one. What is it? Yes, it is wig. eager, wig. So what is the first letter? Yes, it is W. So sound is W. It is W. Eager, wig. W-I-G, wig. Okay.
Pebbles Live.